Today, we're going to reinstall a LOOP-LOC safety cover at the end of swim season. First, get your LOOP-LOC installation tool and a hex anchor screw key. Remove the cover from the storage bag and lay it out on one end of the pool. Be careful not to drag the cover across the deck, which can create snag holes as you put it into position and during the next step. Have two people grab one end of the cover at opposite corners of the pool. Pull the cover down and lay it over the pool. With the edges and straps laid out on the deck. Use the hex anchor screw key to loosen the anchors enough to fit the spring loop. Take the installation tool and loop it through the end of the spring. Place the end of the tool over the anchor and push the spring strap down to the bottom. This links the spring over the anchor. If the strap is too loose, you may need to tighten the straps to ensure 50% compression in the spring. To do so, unlink the spring from the anchor and adjust the strap buckle accordingly. Then reconnect it to the anchor. Make sure the spring cover encloses the coil of the spring. Always start reinstallation at any raised wall waterfall areas, then continue around at one end and repeat it all the way around the pool. Last, double-check that all the straps are properly tightened. When finished, the cover should be taut across the pool, without slack, and should have an even overlap on all pool edges. Make sure there are no gaps or sags. If the anchor is stuck or you're planning a new anchor installation, please call your pool professional.